Financial abuse in narcissistic relationships. Financial abuse, is it what you think it is? Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that often flies under the radar but can be incredibly damaging: financial abuse in narcissistic relationships. We're going to shed some light on this manipulative behavior and empower you with the knowledge to break free from its grip. Let's get started. What is financial abuse? It's a form of control and manipulation that narcissists often use to maintain power and dominance in their relationships. Financial abuse involves tactics that limit or control the victim's access to money, resources, and financial independence. It's all about making the victim dependent on the narcissist, both emotionally and financially. Financial abuse can manifest in various ways. The narcissist may control all the money in the relationship, keeping the victim in the dark about finances and denying them access to bank accounts or credit cards. They might force the victim to account for every penny spent, creating a constant state of surveillance and scrutiny. They may also sabotage the victim's job or career, making it difficult for them to earn their own income and become financially independent. Tactics used by narcissists. Now, let's uncover some of the tactics that narcissists employ in financial abuse. By controlling the finances, they exert power and maintain control over their victims. They may limit the victim's access to money, giving them only an allowance or making them ask for permission to access funds. This creates a sense of dependence and makes it challenging for the victim to make decisions or take action without the narcissist's approval. Narcissists may also use financial manipulation to demean and degrade their victims. They might withhold money or use it as a weapon to punish and manipulate. For example, they may threaten to cut off financial support or leave the victim in a dire financial situation if they don't comply with their demands. By keeping the victim financially vulnerable, the narcissist ensures that they remain under their control. Another tactic used by narcissists is financial gaslighting. They may manipulate the victim's perception of financial reality, making them doubt their own understanding of the situation. They may deny or downplay their own financial contributions, exaggerate expenses, or distort financial information to confuse and disorient the victim. This gaslighting creates a sense of self-doubt and further reinforces the narcissist's control. Will a narcissist drain you financially? Often, a narcissist sees nothing wrong in exploiting their partner's resources for personal gain. They may deplete shared savings for their individual desires or manipulate you into taking on debts to fund their lavish lifestyle. Moreover, narcissists often exhibit a sense of entitlement and disregard for their partner's financial needs or goals. Even more worryingly, financial exploitation by a narcissist can also extend to employment. A narcissist might discourage you from working or even sabotage your job efforts to keep you financially dependent on them. This type of control not only impacts your present financial stability but can also have lasting effects on your career progression and future financial security. So yes, a narcissist can, and often will, drain you financially if given the opportunity. It is important to stay vigilant and take action if you notice signs of financial exploitation in your relationship. Reclaiming financial independence in the wake of narcissistic abuse may appear daunting but is entirely attainable with a strategic plan and the right support. The journey begins with arming yourself with knowledge about your financial situation. Understand your assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. This financial transparency is your first line of defense against abuse. Red flags to watch out for. It's important to be aware of the red flags of financial abuse in narcissistic relationships. If your partner is overly secretive about finances, refuses to include you in financial decisions, or demands control over your earnings, these are warning signs. Pay attention to how money is used as a tool for control and manipulation in the relationship. Another red flag is when the narcissist makes you feel guilty or ashamed for spending money on yourself. They may impose strict budgeting rules that only apply to you, while they freely spend on their own desires. They may also engage in financial infidelity, hiding assets or debts from you, which erodes trust and further reinforces their control. Remember, financial abuse is about power and control, so trust your gut and recognize these signs. Don't dismiss your concerns or make excuses for the narcissist's behavior. Acknowledge that financial abuse is a serious issue that can have long-lasting effects on your well-being and independence. The impact of financial abuse. Financial abuse can have severe consequences for the victim's well-being and sense of self. It goes beyond just money, it affects every aspect of their life. The constant control and manipulation erode their self-esteem and autonomy. They may feel trapped and unable to make decisions or take action without the narcissist's approval. Financial abuse can lead to financial dependency, making it difficult for the victim to leave the abusive relationship. They may fear the financial repercussions of leaving or worry about their ability to support themselves and their children. The narcissist's control over the finances can leave the victim feeling helpless and stuck, as if there's no way out. Moreover, financial abuse can impact the victim's long-term financial stability. The narcissist may accumulate debt in the victim's name, damage their credit, or drain their financial resources. This can leave the victim with limited access to funds necessary for their future, such as education, housing, or starting over after leaving the relationship. It's crucial to recognize the impact of financial abuse and the ways it can keep victims trapped in abusive dynamics. Breaking free from financial abuse is not just about money, it's about reclaiming your independence, self-worth, and overall well-being. Breaking free and rebuilding. Now, let's focus on breaking free from financial abuse and rebuilding your financial independence. The first step is recognizing the abuse and understanding that it's not your fault. Seek support from trusted friends, family, or professional counselors who can provide guidance and help you navigate the process. Developing a safety plan is crucial when leaving a financially abusive relationship. Start by securing your financial information and documents in a safe place that the narcissist cannot access. Open a separate bank account in your name and establish credit in your own name if necessary. Seek legal advice to understand your rights and options. Building financial independence is a key component of breaking free from financial abuse. Educate yourself about personal finance, budgeting, and managing your money. Set financial goals and develop a plan to achieve them. Consider furthering your education or acquiring new skills to increase your earning potential. Remember, you have the power to create a secure and independent financial future. Don't hesitate to seek professional help to heal from the trauma of financial abuse. Therapists or support groups specializing in abuse and trauma can provide a safe space to process your emotions and rebuild your self-esteem. They can also help you develop healthy financial habits and overcome any lingering effects of the abuse. As we wrap up, remember that you deserve financial freedom and independence. Financial abuse is a manipulative tactic used by narcissists to maintain control. But you have the power to break free. Reach out for support, educate yourself about your rights, and take steps to build your financial independence. You are worthy of a life free from financial abuse. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. We're here to support you every step of the way. Take care, stay strong, and reclaim your financial power. Thank you for watching today's video on financial abuse in narcissistic relationships. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, please leave a comment below. And remember, you are not alone. There are resources available to help you on your journey. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, take care.